Hello, welcome to my channel where you will learn everything about human resources. In this video we will talk about
employee training and development. Key to organizational success. Understanding the importance of training. Training and development are essential to improving collaboration skills, boosting job performance, and fostering growth within an organization. A well-trained team leads to higher efficiency, innovation, and job satisfaction. Additionally, it helps align individual goals with the organization's objectives, promoting a unified approach to success. Steps to implement a successful training program. Identify training needs. Start by assessing the organization's needs and evaluating the specific areas that require improvement. This can be achieved through performance evaluations, surveys, or direct feedback from teams. Set clear learning objectives. Establish clear and measurable goals that participants should achieve after the training. These objectives should align with the organization's long-term strategy. Develop the content. Based on the learning objectives, create engaging and relevant content tailored to the needs of the collaborators. It can include workshops, e-learning platforms, hands-on activities, or mentoring programs. Choose the right training method. Whether it's on-the-job training, classroom-based learning, or virtual courses, selecting the right method is crucial to the success of the program. Execute the program. Properly scheduling and delivering the training sessions is essential. Ensure that the materials are engaging, interactive, and foster active participation. Evaluate and improve. After the training, assess its impact by measuring participant performance and gathering feedback. Continuously update and improve the program based on these evaluations. Recommendations for success. Customize the program. Tailor the training to address the specific needs of the organization and its collaborators. A one-size-fits-all approach may not be as effective. Encourage continuous learning. Make training an ongoing process rather than a one-time event. Foster a culture of continuous improvement by offering refresher courses and promoting new learning opportunities. Engage leadership. Leaders should actively participate in training programs. Their involvement reinforces the importance of training and motivates the team to take it seriously. Use technology. Take advantage of modern tools and platforms to make training more accessible and interactive, such as using e-learning systems, webinars, and virtual workshops. Conclusion. Effective employee training is an investment in the future success of any organization. It enhances skills, increases job satisfaction, and helps the company stay competitive. A continuous approach to training, with clear objectives and evaluation, ensures that collaborators are always prepared to meet evolving challenges.